is Auntie Belle.
And this is Auntie Karen.
And this is Auntie Time.
Auntie Belle.
Kakaiba yung topic natin
Yes,
ngayon.
pero ulan ng ulan.
Ayun, yun lang.
3
Maulan
weeks
ngayon.
na.
Correct.
Malapit na tayo maging isda.
Malapit na. But I'm hoping na yung mga kababayan natin na nabaha, sana na-survive natin to.
Yeah.
Pero yun na nga. So, ang sa akin lang kasi parang hindi naman bago sa atin yung baha, 'di ba? Bakit parang ganun pa rin yung storya natin?
That's right. Pero more than anything, I hope everybody's keeping well. Despite the incessant rain the past days. Mag-vitamins po tayo dahil ang sakit
Correct.
ay walang pinipili, lalo na sa ganitong
Correct.
weather.
Magastos,
magkasakit.
But that's not our topic for
Yes,
today,
yes,
Ante.
oo.
Ang topic natin ngayon is
Something
fashion.
different. Something different,
Fashion
right?
sa mga ante mo. So, styling.
Styling,
so, maganda
yes.
rin. Sino nga ba yung guest natin ngayon?
Our guest for this episode really is an institutional Filipino
Ay, totoo.
brand.
Matagal na nga tong
They've been
brand na to.
around for a bit while. Actually, nung tayo'y inuumpisahan pa lang magka-regla,
Oh.
na ngayon uurungan na tayo ng regla.
Correct.
Andi dito pa tong
Correct.
Filipino brand na to. I'm especially proud because while there are a lot of international brands available in the market now, there are
Lumalaban pa rin sila,
are
ante,
very
no?
few thriving Filipino brand.
And I must say, we have to support local
Of course,
talaga.
kasi sino ba nakakaalam talaga ng needs and wants of a Filipino but a Filipino brand,
Correct,
diba? But
you're
that's just,
right.
I guess that's just me. So I'm very happy to have these guests, our guests, this afternoon.
First is, of course, the people from
The people, the team behind Maldita brand. We have the general manager, Miss Irene Chan. And of course, joining us is also the creative consultant of Maldita since 2009.
Wow. So ano na rin to? Midlife na rin. Ano,
Midlife na sila, si Miss Ichiko.
Woohoo! Welcome to Auntie Time!
We're so happy to have you, Miss Aya and Miss Ichi. And,
Yes. Thank you for gracing our show.
it's
Wow.
been raining the past weeks, pero they
Correct.
braved the Metro Manila storm to be with us in
Correct.
this episode. So, welcome to
Welcome.
Auntie Time.
Yes,
The
thank you.
Team
very much.
Maldita.
Thank you for having us.
Yes, yes.
Oo.
As you know, di ba, sa mga ating mga Gen Z at mga younger millennial, Maldita has always been a brand that's been around. Maybe long before you guys were born. Tell us about the brand Maldita, Miss Irene.
Yeah, Maldita started in 1999.
Wow, 90s.
So, 27 years.
Kasi naalala ko na 2000s ko na nakilala si Maldita.
Nag-start tayo nating mga aliping
Working.
sa gigilid
Correct.
careers.
Nag-corporate tayo.
Yes, yes.
90s pa pala. 97.
Late 1999.
99.
Almost 3 decades already.
Correct. Wow. Galing. It's still here.
Yeah, and it's one of those proudly Filipino local brand that's been around. There are a couple of Filipino brands at that time, pero ang staying power ng Maldita has always been
Correct.
there.
Yun yung interested ako malaman. Ano yung ginawa nila para to stay longer in the industry? Mahirap yun 27 years with all the different challenges ng economy natin. Miss Irene, and paano
Siyempre.
niyo ginawa ito?
Yes. Of course, number one, mahilig tayo sa fashion. And then, yung style natin nag-evolve as we grow older. Older talaga. Ante. Ayun.
Yes.
So,
Older but powerful.
yes,
Yan.
yes. Empowering women. So, the brand is still here and we're doing yung mga things na gusto natin.
Sir, what you're saying, Miss Irene, ino-observe nyo yung Filipina lifestyle or pati international ba?
All.
Tinitignan nyo
Yes,
rin.
tinitignan din
so
natin.
that's why the pag-evolve nila is not just local, pati
Yes,
international.
yes. Same as we age from we started hanggang ngayon, we also evolved din yung ating mga outfit and looks.
Mga preferences.
Mga preferences.
Kaya nga, kanina ko pa binabati si Miss Irene sa
Ay, oo.
outfit niya. Everything is, of course, Maldita.
Yes.
Right? Ang ganda. As in, it's fresh. It's for me parang bago siya.
Yeah.
Pero hindi siya yung parang ano yan, diba?
So,
Medyo,
yes, yes.
Add a little tweak and then you style it and then your look is gonna get
parang mas may elevate yung
Yes.
look niya. Kasi ito, if you wear it lang like that, okay na
Okay
siya.
lang, oo.
Pero with a little more...
Nagkaroon ng character.
So I think yun ba, tama Miss Ichi, yun ba talaga, yun yung parang proposition ng Maldita. Classic pieces.
Yes.
Ganun
correct,
siya.
correct, Auntie Belle. So when we design for Maldita, no, we would always think of those women who are strong-willed. No, they're very bold. They're very authentic. No, kasi Actually, yung maldita na word, no, nagkakaroon siya ng connotation na, alam mo yung parang
I
pasaway ka.
I
Diba?
love being maldita.
Right.
Self-confessed.
Right,
Yes.
Oo. But actually, no, kaya siguro ganun yung thinking, no, parang rebel. It's because na you're strong-willed eh.
You
say
have
what
mind of your own.
Yes,
you know what
that's
you
correct.
want. Diba?
Strong-willed.
So ganyan. When we design, no, when we do our collection, we base on those women. Para at least we will constantly evolve. We will
So
constantly
regardless
grow.
if it's Gen X like us or millennials,
Correct.
Based on personality or characteristic or
Right.
even lifestyle. Kasi sometimes corporate ka, tas maya-maya tatakbo ka you run
Mga
errands.
errands ka.
Diba?
that's right. So it's
Ganun din
functional.
yan.
It's functional clothing
Yes.
that need not be just so simple then, but stylish, I guess.
Tingnan mo naman yung
I
formato
love it.
natin ngayon.
Yeah,
Very
actually, when
nice,
we were
right?
talking earlier, when you guys started 27 years ago, talagang 3 colors lang ang conceptualizing Maldita and Mine.
I think it's very smart kasi yung time natin, hindi tayo masyadong ma-color. I don't know ngayon yung mga kids. Ako lately, nagko-color na rin. Pero nung time natin, parang takot na takot tayo sa color.
Yes.
So,
I think
Maldita pasok sa atin nung corporate life natin.
when we were starting our corporate life,
Correct. Ako, bili ako ng mga outfits kasi nga walang color as in you can just mix and match.
Right,
Is
that's
that
right.
really deliberate, Ichi, at that time?
Yes, no? Kasi when you have these 3 colors, you can just, like what you've said a while ago, no? Pwede mo na lang mixan ng konting color, no? But it will not look like outburst of colors. You're gonna look like a clown. Parang ganyan.
Correct,
So, yan yung
correct.
iniiwasan talaga namin. So, in mind, we really want this minimalist theme for the brand.
clean.
Yes, that's correct.
Clean, stylish.
And sleek,
Right.
actually. That's actually the look I'm going for when I was younger. Hindi pa ako manager noon, pero nag-feeling manager na ako noon.
Oo,
Diba?
hindi,
You're
tsaka alam
manifesting
mo,
at that
umamin
time.
ka, yung mga alta antes natin.
Correct.
Ang dress up nila, puting t-shirt lang, ang lakas makayaman.
Correct.
Black
Mga
trousers
puti,
lang, bakit parang taga-das mo ba tayo?
Correct.
Alam mo yan.
Oo. Hindi, tsaka yun nga, parang at that time, iba-iba yung style, no? Kasi ako, when I was a junior manager at that time, medyo hindi ko kailangan bonggahan yung outfit ko. Corporate, it's corporate. Hindi ako masyado pang playful kasi parang feeling ko, junior pa lang ako. Pero nung medyo nag-level up na tayo ng konti, nagpa-power dress rin tayo. May mga pieces ako, to be honest, may mga pieces pa ako from Maldita na mix ko sa bago.
Oh, wow.
So yun yung maganda dun sa Maldita. Ikaw din, Auntie,
Yes,
kwento mo yan.
yeah, actually, I wanna share that when we were having coffee the other day, diba? I still have my Maldita pieces from 15 years back.
Yes.
Sobrang, alam mo, yun yung fabric, yung design. Na pag
Kasya pa sa bewang mo yun,
Kasya
Ante?
pa, Ante. Yun yung maganda. Yun yung maganda. Kasya pa siya, pero the fabric is really nice.
Pang matagalan.
Pang
kasi
matagalan.
talaga.
At saka relevant pa siyang suotin ngayon sa mga meetings.
Correct. So yun, so going back to yun nga, yung mga style natin before. During that time, nag-aalangan din tayo, ano bang style yung iti-take natin? Baka our audience can tell us.
I wanna ask, how does someone actually discover their personal style? Like you,
Yes, correct.
Ichi, I mean, you've been doing creative consultancy, creative work for styling, really. So, in your over 15 years of experience,
Ikaw ay Maldita, oh.
in Maldita, nakita mo ba yung evolution of styling? How do you mix and match? Can you help us expound on that?
Yun nga, no, as I've said a while ago, when we design something, we take into consideration the women, no, yung mga character, lifestyle. So, you would really need to know what you really want, what you really want, what works for you, what doesn't work for you. Kasi if you take in consideration those things, those factors, no, tendency is that you get to design something that would really make your personality come out. Right? And like us, 'di ba? Siguro same age din naman lang tayo, no? So, hindi mahirap sa amin mag-design for that age kasi nga it's what
Kayo
we're
mismong
wearing.
nakaka-relate.
Correct. It's what we're
Oo,
wearing.
correct.
We can relate to the design.
Correct.
So, it's more on knowing what really is your personality and what works for you.
Comfort din.
But I have another question.
Oh.
So regardless of 20 pounds ago, so di ba kasi we are not exactly as balingkinitan in 1999 versus 2026. in our perimenopause years.
Bakit sa imagine ko,
ganun pa rin tayo.
pa rin.
Mga 110 pounds ka pa lang. Syempre, as we age, I'm talking about our generation, ha? Yung Chanda Romero natin is already there. Back fat.
Clingy, no?
Yes.
Very clingy ang mga lower tummy na.
Actually, parte ng perimenopause and menopause naman talaga. Mga anti-aminin na natin yun. So, nandyan siya talaga present. Kahit anong gawin mo, hindi siya mawawala. So, siguro, matanong natin sa ang Maldita team, can you help us women on how to, I don't know, work around with that na para maging stylist
Especially for
pa din?
Filipino women, dito tayo diba? Visceral fat here at saka back fat.
Oh, yun. Sige.
So the design evolved din during yung procurement ng mga merchandise na ilalabas. So
Right.
as a stylist, no, so yung mga design na nilalabas natin, mayroon din, you show some cleavage but you cover up the fats nga in the lower area. So we
Mayroong
produce yung mga
open dito,
A-line,
pero
kunyari V-neck, deep cut, but open yung
And it's still very
dress.
stylish,
Oo, yes,
diba?
yes. Para yung mga mga gusto natin i-hide, nakaka-hide natin.
Hindi masyadong na-highlight kasi
Yes.
nabibigay
Kasi iba
attention.
yung attention na
Yes.
pupunta sa iba para hindi mapansin yung gusto natin i-cover.
Yes. That's nice, no? Ever-evolving din na Maldita as we go through our different life stages, no?
Right, correct.
I mean, 27 years is still 27 years.
Oh yeah,
Being strong.
actually impressive yun for me kasi nakilala natin yung ibang mga employees din ng ang tagal na rin nila dun sa company,
that's right,
diba?
that's
It
right.
says a lot about the management. And also the style, hindi siya masyadong nag-veer away sa trendy. Meron lang silang parang classic. Correct me if I'm wrong, ha? Para siyang classic pieces na may konting twist.
Yes.
Yeah.
Tama ba?
Yes, correct.
It's also deliberate in your
Yes.
Basic but not really. Like for example, can I just I
Correct.
love this piece. It's just white,
Pero
very
hindi ganun
comfortable.
siya, oh.
Pero tinan mo yung
May
character
papak ka dyan.
niya.
Oo, correct.
Parang ang lakas makayaman.
Yes.
correct.
Double purpose yan.
Double purpose yan para
just
makapangmata
to hide
ko.
also,
So,
right.
Makapaglait ka
Right.
ulit
Makapanlait
na may
ka.
karapatan. Ganun
alam mo yan. Diba?
Maldita yun talaga, no?
Actually.
Outfit para makapanglait.
Yes,
Ang dating.
yes.
Okay.
But Maldita focuses on creating elevated professional and casual wear that
Ay.
women can wear
Ako na yan.
repeatedly over and
Correct.
over.
Correct. I mean, you would expect na this, I don't know, green ba to? Gray, black,
gray.
and then there's beige.
It made sense,
And then
no?
mag-mix and match ako ulit ng iba pa. Pwede rin
And
ako
it doesn't
mag-black.
have to have like 1,000 crayon colors.
Correct.
Diba?
And still
And I think that's
elevated.
how Filipinas are. Generally, for us Filipina, or at least our generation, and I guess some millennial, no, we are not really as playful. I don't know. I speak for myself. Kasi sense of fashion and style
I
ko
think yung
even-
generation natin nga yan, Gen X, ang medyo playful yung mga younger,
Oo.
ngayon.
Kasi sa akin, ang color palette preference ko, colorway ko, leaning towards classic, and gusto ko in 10 years, hindi pa rin ako.
Practical kasi na.
Yung pag tinignan ko yung picture ko, hindi ko pagtatawanan bakit ako nag-neon green.
Correct.
Or
I made that mistake, ha?
Ah,
Nasaktan ako dyan sa sinabi mo. Sige nga, nag-neon green. Oh, sige, lalabas namin. Lalabas natin yung picture.
Yes,
Pero
yes.
yeah, kasi nga, you tend to ride on the trend before. But what we're saying to the audience now, yung mga younger ones, actually invest in classic pieces.
Yes.
And then yun nga yung sinasabi nila with the twist, gano'n na lang, para konti lang yung konti yung gagastusin mo. Kasi ngayon, pag may edad ka na, mas practical ka na eh. Hindi ka na masyadong nag-iisip nung mga kung anong uso, tapos 10 years down the line, ano nangyari? Ano kinain mo? Ba't mo sinuot to?
That's
diba?
right, that's
So,
right.
mas gusto natin yung timeless din yung mga photos na makikita natin. Lalo na digital tayo ngayon.
I wanna talk about, since we're talking about the antes, di ba? There's this new word that I've heard, yung capsule. What's that?
Collecting.
Capsule
Capsule
dress.
outfits.
Yes. So,
diba?
narinig ko yan sa mga bata.
Sa mga bagets
What
ngayon.
can you say about that?
So capsule outfits, no, it's like different styles using, like, for example, one pants, no, and then this pants can go well together with this top, and then it goes well with a blazer.
So, parang
something like
boxed.
that. Yes, parang you
Boxed
boxed it, diba? You boxed it,
Kina-
and then
oo.
from there, per day, you get to have one outfit per day. So, like, a
Paano,
one-week capsule.
question ha, paano kung yung araw na yung pagising ko, hindi ako maganda, ang bloated ng ganda ko.
Uy, minsan talaga we feel bloated.
Yes.
Nabigla na lang.
So, hindi na
Paano
papasok
yun?
sa capsule outfitting mo
Yes,
yun?
correct. Kaya sa amin, no, sa Maldita, what we usually recommend to our clients or customers, no, parang how you feel that day, dun ka lang mag-iisip kung ano yung outfit mo. Kasi, like, if it's already a capsule outfit, andyan na yan.
Box na nga eh.
Diba? Naka-box na siya. So, parang, what if feeling ko today, ay, ang taba ko, yung puson ko lumulong.
Oo.
Pero the next day, ay, parang feeling ko ang payat.
Oo, hindi,
Gandang-ganda ko sa sarili ko.
Correct.
So,
Oo.
iba yung gagawin mong outfit. So, tendency is that, parang mababaliwala din naman yung capsule outfit. So, might as well not recommend the capsule outfit, but recommend based on what you really feel for that particular day. Right?
So investing in pieces that
Timeless,
works well,
yeah.
na
Yes,
timeless, is
timeless.
what you guys are.
So what do you
proposing.
think is the current mindset of the antes right now in terms of dressing themselves up, where this is going? Kasi napapansin niyo, di ba, I enjoy my sneakers. I would sneaker everything.
Correct,
From
correct.
skirt to shorts to trousers to whatever would
correct.
fit me.
Ikaw kasi ante, sanay kasi sneakers most of your time kasi athlete ka talaga.
I'm into sports
Oo,
din, oo.
sports talaga. Ako kasi talagang corporate girly, so ma-heels. Lately lang ako nag-sneakers din kasi nga yung bone density natin pumapalag
Is importanter.
na. Oo, so hindi na siya. So bihirang-bihira na lang ako mag-heels ngayon. So in terms of who picks the how do you pick
Curate, oo.
your tela or how do you process that?
So, yung mga design natin, based din sa anong panahon ngayon. So, like before and then now. So, as we talk about na yung as we change, no, our body changes also, 'di ba, during itong time na to. So mas gusto na natin yung comfort. So yung style natin ngayon, yun nga based sa mood din natin. Ngayon feel ko ngayon mag sexy. So
Correct.
so outfit ko sexy. Pero as we age nga, yung sa akin sa preference ko, yung colors ko is limited na rin. So, black, white.
Kasi madali tayo ma-overstimulate eh. Pag medyo marami na siya,
Yeah.
na-overstimulate na ako dito.
Pero as we age nga, yung itong time na to na nasa perimenopause na tayo, so yung parang feeling ko dun sa mga color ko ngayon, as I check my closet, yung natitirang color pa rin talaga is the black, white, and gray. So, mabalik ka na naman ulit dun. So, minsan nakita mo, matagal mo na hindi ito sinusuot, pero pag check mo, ay, buhay pa to, kasya
Pwede
pa
pa
sa akin,
pala.
buhay
Oo,
pa.
pwede
So,
pa.
pwede pa pala. So, yun yung mga trends para sa akin na yung look na gusto ko na,
Ini-investan.
ini-invest.
So aside from the personality, your mood for that day, important din talaga to invest in those basic colors. And then here and there lang yung mga konting pop of, that's what you're saying, a pop of color, no?
And also comfort ha.
Yes.
Comfort.
Ay, number one.
The tela.
Number one.
The
The
tela.
tela.
Oo.
The fabric. And then, timeless siya. Ibig sabihin, for how long na yung top mo, maybe 10 years, 5 years, 15 years, you can still wear that. Kumbaga, kahit paulit, natulog na siya ng for halimbawa, one season or what. After a while, makikita,
I have it
pa to.
pala.
Parang
Oo.
feeling mo bago pa rin siya.
Actually, yeah. Feeling mo bago
Tapos
pa
pag
rin
umattend ka na meeting, uy, parang bago outfitan. Actually, it's been
Tagal na.
around.
Ayan, so, dressing for your lifestyle, I think ito yung na-mention natin kanina. Although, ito yung na-mention kanina, hindi lang na-mention about age. Ichi mention lang mood, weather, at saka yung klase ng tela. Why are we not focused on
The body.
the age and actually the age? Kasi di ko narinig na we're basing it on the age. You said basing it on the mood and the character.
And the character.
Is that also deliberate ba?
Kasi for us, no, age is just a number. I mean,
Oh,
right?
yes.
Age
Oo,
is just a
correct,
number.
correct.
So, we don't want to parang label that, like for example, you're in midlife. Yan dapat ang isuot mo. So, diba? Parang we don't wanna tell people na dapat at this age,
Ganito ka lang
this
magdamit.
should be how you dress up, diba?
Karamihan
Yes,
nga
correct.
ganyan eh, 'di ba?
Right.
Parang iniisip mo dress your age.
Yeah.
Pero
Oo.
like me, I don't dress
Subscribe to
oo,
rebel
yung,
ka.
yun,
When it comes
kumbaga,
to
oo,
fashion,
parang
right.
ngayon
So, ultimate maldita talaga.
Yeah,
siya.
yes. Pag
Rebel when it comes
feeling
to
ko ngayon ay
fashion.
gusto ko magpa-sexy. So yung look ko kahit na alam ko yung age ko nasaan na, pero minsan yung outfit ko, para pang
Ako,
30s,
oo, oo,
20s.
Nasa
ganun.
21-year-old.
Actually, yun yung, I think, secret din somehow na nakakabata. Yung look natin. But not naman too much na
Na
Yes.
super.
kepay shorts ka na,
Yeah.
'di ba? Hindi
Oo,
naman
oo,
ganong level na tayo. Wow! Nagganon ba ako before? But I know what you mean, na parang may mga nakikita kasi akong comment na, ano ba yan? Tanda-tanda na, ganyan pa magdamit. Parang naisip ko, ano ba dapat? Pag matanda na, pang mata,
Naka-duster
darot
na
saya,
lang.
duster na lang ba?
Oo.
Hindi ganun eh. It adds to your age. I guess.
Exactly.
So, siguro nga kaya hindi masyado siya age basis yung mga
Pero at this age, iniiwasan ko mag-maxi dress. Dahil baka mapagkamala ng ante mo, naka-duster. Diba?
Kasi age natin, pag nag-maxi tayo, duster
na yun. Diba? Hindi na siya
Hayaan
maxi
natin
dress.
sa mga bata na
Yes,
yun. Oo.
yes.
So, meron din talagang appropriate and not appropriate, but there's no limitation in terms of how you express
Yes.
yourself.
And since Maldita is proudly Filipino brand, nobody knows a Filipina body
Correct.
like a
Yun ang
Filipino
local.
brand. Like,
Kasi the people behind it
lahat magkaramihan po ng Filipina bite sizes. Meaning, nasa 4'11", 5, 5'1", 5'2". Pag 5'5 ka, girl, supermodel ka na. Alam niyo
Pag
yan.
5'5", no?
Supermodel
Muntik
na.
na pala ako doon.
Lalo na, pag nagkakaedad tayo, syempre, apart from dati, payat tayo, we can get away. Syempre, pag perimenopause, medyo ang arms natin, hindi na kasing...
Arms, correct.
Oo,
Oo.
tapos yung back fat, side fat, front
Correct,
fat. So, how does Maldita now see the different sizes of Filipino women in different age groups?
Tsaka ano na rin ngayon, good question yan to add, may body positivity era na rin tayo. Kasi yung we were taught nung bata, 'di ba? Na parang kailangan payat. Pag hindi ka payat,
Yes.
hindi ka maganda. Hindi ganon.
Makakancel ako dito kasi may opinion ako dyan. Nakita mo ba yung mga naka-crop top ngayon? Okay.
At saka chubelya. Oo.
Anyway.
Ano?
Ano naman daw, masarap maging mabuhay. Anyway, so I would wanna go back.
Pinigilan mo yung sarili.
Yes, I wanna go back to Maldita.
May listening ka pa pala.
Oo. I wanna go back asking
Yun.
Maldita about body
Ganyan.
shape of a Filipina, not just but in different phases of life. So how do you guys plan or curate outfit for us?
As you can see a while ago, yung collection namin that we have is usually high waist.
Oh, nakakatago nga ng
Yes,
puson yun,
right,
te.
right.
Oo.
And sometimes yung cut niya, it will look like you're very slender. Parang dinadaya.
Parang humahaba yung legs
Yes,
mo
correct.
di ba? Oo.
Parang naging long-legged ka.
Correct. Parang nadagdagan ka ng tuhod, ante. Ganun. Yun pala yung key doon. Okay.
Kasama din dyan before. So, we're talking about yung evolve ng
Yes.
brand din natin. No? Before, we also cater to bigger size. We
Parang
also
plus
have
size.
Plus sizes.
So,
Okay.
before we also have the man. So,
Okay.
Maldita man. So, as we grow, nag-iiba talaga eh. So, nag-change. So, may
Oo.
mga, so, balik tayo ngayon sa core. Balik tayo sa dressing.
Basic.
women,
And you
basic.
cannot go
Yeah.
wrong going back to
Yeah.
the basic eh.
Yeah.
Correct.
Diba? Because styles, colors would be ever-changing. But we always go back to, ano nga ba yung dati?
So ngayon, ang mga sizes sa Maldita, XS ba? Small or medium?
Yes, we have until double XLs
Yun.
for the pants. Actually, na-surprise din kami kasi parang nagbabago din pala ang body, Before kasi, we cater
kasi
nga yung
ganyan
mga
ka na
big
dati
size.
pa ata.
No, hindi
naman
naman.
alam.
So,
Mas payat
we're just-
siya nun.
Mas payat
Tumaba
ba
na siya ngayon.
Ay, mataba na
I think
yan.
mas, ganun ba?
Bigla na buhok.
So parang, ang iniisip natin, ngayon kasi, di ba, mas more on health conscious na tayo.
Yes.
Di ba? Di ba may ganyan?
Correct, correct.
Actually,
Tsaka ngayon ng peptide culture, lahat payat
Oo,
na.
diba? So,
Alam
parang,
niyo yan.
bakit
Mga
parang
ante
yung
nagpe-peptide.
yung natitirang hindi pumayat, parang ganyan. So, nasusurprise kami, na usually nagiging sold out is medium. Before kasi it's XL.
Oh, wow. Oh, that's so interesting.
Yes. Di ba? Very
Ang
interesting
dami
talaga.
nang nagpe-peptide
So,
na ante.
And conscious lang siguro sa fitness kasi
Right.
marami na ngayon na
Right.
ano nga yun?
We do
Pickleball.
pickleball.
Ayun, dami na
yoga.
Correct, correct.
Reformer,
Pilates.
Pilates.
Oo, Pilates.
Pilates. So, all
Oo.
na payat din
But it's so interesting, no, that marami nang going back to the medium. Para maubos ang sizing na yun.
Oo, ang galing. It's interesting. Okay.
We're going back also to the basic of how we were in the 90s.
Yes.
So, we were also talking about earlier, no, na busy lifestyle now for the Filipino women. We go to work, we take care of our household, like the aunties that we are, no?
And nagle-level up talaga ang women in general. Ang ambition dati ng mga women, to be a housewife. I mean, dati-dati. Ngayon, housewife na, career
Entrepreneur,
pa. And some are getting more educated now. Nagle-level up talaga. So, nagsuschool, nag-aaral at may career. At the same time, nag-hold ng family, household. So, multitasking talaga ang ano
We
natin.
wear
So,
many hats. Diba?
Yes,
Minsan
that's
doktor
right.
tayo.
correct. Kusinera.
Kusinera, logistic, driver.
So, paano yung outfitan nung ganun? Kung ganun yung mga... I mean, paano ko gagawin yun kung nakaganito ako from our...
Hindi, like a
Mancom,
classic case
tapos,
mancom ka in the morning. Paano yan? Meron tayong after office with our NGO, magkikita tayo.
Correct.
Oo,
So,
alangan
yung
naman
mga
suot mo nung umaga,
Correct.
suot mo ng gabi, unless, like what you mentioned, about layering. And
Yes.
how can you help us expound on how to be more creative and playful, but not necessarily,
keep changing
keep
in the day.
changing in the day, diba?
So actually, no, ang transition kasi from day to night, no, sa Maldita, no, we encourage them to wear just one outfit. Just one outfit. And then, this outfit, no, can go from day till nighttime. Kasi nga, sabi nyo nga, di ba, we're so busy eh. We don't have time to think kung, shucks, ano susutin ko sa gabi? Kailangan ba iba pa?
Tsaka, babalik pa ba ako sa bahay to
Pag
change?
bumalik ako ng bahay, girl, hindi mo na ako pag tinanggal ko na yung bra ko,
Correct.
hindi na ako lalabas ng bahay. Good night na to, Netflix na to.
Even we start our day, iisipin pa muna namin kung worth it bang magsuot ng bra para makita tong taong to.
Alam mo yan,
Yan
di
talaga
ba?
yung deciding factor. I love it.
Do I like
Worth it
this
pa ba
person
mag-bra?
enough?
Ganon. Pag worth it siyang, okay, sige, willing ako magbra. Pero pag hindi, ante, pasensya na.
So, ang maganda nga sa kanya, pwedeng tuhog. Like our meetings, pero the same outfit,
Yes.
stylish, and then
Oo, so ano nga yun? Layering ba ang sagot doon?
Yes,
Or-
correct. No, you can have like what you're wearing, Auntie Bel. No, you can remove the blazer during nighttime, diba? And you can add like necklace, or you can change your pouch, or you can change into pouch instead of a bag, or you can change your
Kasi
shoes.
madali lang dalhin yun sa...
Right. Oo. Hindi na siya different outfit, no, but just changing the accessories or removing something. Diba? Kasi mas mahirap if you add That's a waste of time.
Oo.
Yes.
Lalagay-
Traffic pa naman. Diba?
True. So mapapalit ka na lang sa maghuhubad ka na lang
Yes.
sa kotse.
Correct.
Yes.
Pag uwi mo, todo hubad na.
yes.
Wala ka ng bra. No?
Wala ka ng bra, no? Tatanggalin mo.
Oo. So ayun. So as in layering is the key
Yes.
Yes.
for that. And then investing in pieces na could last you.
Oo.
Even the cuts. Kasi naalala ko dati parang fit na fit yung suot talaga. Ngayon, mas maluwag, mas maganda. So, iba-iba din yung ano, no? So, yun yung
Buti
mga
nga
evolved
natanggal na yung mga panahon ng slim pants. Oh my God. Imagine mo kung ngayon nauso yun. Yung mga tight. Diyos ko,
correct.
Lord. Ba't
Pero yung
natin
mga
sinuot yun? Lord.
Skinny jeans.
Skinny jeans.
in time na yun. I don't know. Kasi parang,
Gandang-ganda
at that
tayo sa
time,
sarili natin.
diba?
no?
Ang
Yes,
ganda.
Gandang-ganda tayo.
Tapos nung tinitignan natin
Hindi na
yung
po ako
picture,
babalik mag-skinny
mukha tayong
jeans.
lumpia nun, te.
Correct.
So,
Hindi tayo nag-iisip noon. Alam mo yan.
classic naman daw nung time na yun.
Hindi mo na mapa. Hindi
Hindi ka na mababalik nun.
Hindi na
Kahit
ako
yun na yung
babalik.
trend.
Hindi na. Okay na ako.
So now we move on to our rapid fire question. So mabilisan lang ang sagot nito
sige. Ikaw muna
Wala namang ano, wala
ma-stress
namang
kami.
wala
Yes,
namang
well,
tong right or wrong
Answer.
Ay, wala pala siyang wrong answer. Everything is right. So unahan natin na lights off or lights on.
Ay, my God.
Charot lang. Charot lang. So ito, one wardrobe essential na meron kayo, Miss I.
V-neck.
V-neck talaga.
V-neck top.
Mas ito yung asset
Oh,
mo.
yes.
Alam mo, sometimes, mas gusto ko rin. Kasi yung puti natin,
Yes.
parang,
Parang
siyang
relief
reflector
ka,
eh.
yeah.
V-neck.
Oo, yun yung napansin ko. Pag naka-V-neck ako, parang nagre-reflect sa mukha ko yung puti.
Kasi pag nag-crew-cut tayo, oh my God, digla tayo lumiit.
Oo nga,
Tsaka yung
correct.
neck. Diba?
How about
Lumiliit.
you? Your essential.
Ako, I think, mga tailored outfits, no?
Taylor.
Ako talaga, yan yung weakness ko.
Yan na yung
Taylor-dotted.
style mo talaga, no? Okay.
Okay, one fashion rule you wish would disappear.
Yung jeans nga na tight
Skinny,
jeans,
ayan.
skinny jeans.
Ayun
Ngayon ko
talaga.
lang din na-realize. Oh.
Pero lahat tayo
Lahat kailangan natin pagsisihan natin lahat yun. Sabay-sabay tayo.
Sabay-sabay, guys. Pagsisihan natin.
Lahat
Lahat
tayo.
natin
Galing
gagawin ng
galing
skinny jeans.
Nawag na
Forever,
sana.
Hindi na bumalik. How about you? Fashion
Ako,
na.
I think, no, sa akin, more on parang that women should dress according to their age.
Yan.
Ayoko yan talaga. Kasi ayoko ma-identify na yun yung age ko.
Correct. Ako, lagi naman, pag hindi man ako nagpapabata ng damit,
Right.
I'd like to think, pero marami pa rin naman nagkakamali sa age ko.
Ay, alam mo yan.
Alam nyo na. Diba? May sa mga early 30s lang daw ako.
Ay.
Wait lang. Kasi hindi yan dahil sa nagdadala na mo rin din ng outfit mo, di ba? So yun. So, next question.
Best fashion investment for you?
For me, shoes.
Comfortable shoes ba to?
Comfortable
Or heels ma ba? Mga Louis Vuittons ba yan?
Hindi naman. Basta anything na comfortable.
Doon ka mag-invest.
Yes.
Kasi masakit ang paa pag pipitch ang iyong...
And then,
ano.
since busy nga tayo lagi, invest in shoes talaga.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
That makes
Right,
sense.
Ako siguro yung mga timeless things, no, that
Ayan
I
na
can
nga,
pass on to
timeless.
my daughter, diba?
Timeless. That you
yeah.
can mix and match.
And it doesn't have to be expensive.
Yes,
Yes.
yes. As long
Ano
as
ba
you
yung
can
best
use it.
fashion investment ko? Bag.
Bag. Actually,
Bag.
it's an accessory. It completes the ano,
Look.
no? The look. Actually, baka din bag ako. Or maybe a watch.
Yes, that's
Diba?
correct.
Worst fashion purchase. Yung pinagsisihan natin.
Ayun na nga, yung neon outfit na
Neon
binili
outfit.
ko.
Tsaka yung mga skinny jeans.
Skinny jeans.
Wag na, hindi na
Tsaka
tayo
yung mga
babalik
neon
sa
outfit
skinny.
ko. Oo.
Wag na, wala na doon.
Pasensya
Sa ikaw
na
yung
po
kamay.
to the fashion gods. Pasensya
So,
na po.
what is your worst fashion for you? Skinny jeans.
Skinny jeans.
You.
Ako yung yung mga outfits na binili pag pumayat ka. Alam mo yung nag-pile up na sa cabinet mo.
Okay.
Tapos hindi na
Right,
bumalik.
diba? Tapos hindi na...
Hindi mo na
Kailan
kailangan
ka
suotin.
Tsaka hindi, yung ganito, bibilin ko to, sige, I think papayat naman ako ng mga 2 packs.
Yung ina-anticipate
Oo,
mo
ina-anticipate mo pa lang. Tapos nandun na sa cabinet mo. Ayun,
No,
natulog
kasi
na sila.
sometimes yung iba, yung rationale nila to, yun yung driving force nila para pumayat.
Pwede rin
Pero
yun,
hindi sila
right?
sumakses.
Correct.
Kaya na-stuck na lang doon.
So, nakatambak na yan
makikita
sa
mo,
closet
may
mo.
ako din, may mga ganun. May
Diba
mga
na-
labels pa yun. Hindi ko pa nagagamit. Kasi yun yung nasa isip ko, hindi, kukunin ko tong size na to kasi papayat ako. Pero hindi ko siya nagamit eh.
Ako yung worst ko, yung feeling ko yung cocktail dress na magagamit ko na hindi pala.
na walang occasion.
Na wala
Para
occasion.
doon.
Pero
Hindi
parang
kasi,
kailangan ko yun
Ante,
somewhere.
tinuruan kasi din tayo nung bata tayo. Tayo mga Gen X, tinuruan tayo ng mga na meron tayong little black dress.
Oo.
And always ready for a party dress. Kailangan may dress ka in your wardrobe na ganon. Pero hindi na, it doesn't come by as often as we used to
So,
have.
meron ako mga isang anong gano'n.
Hilerang ganon.
Ano nang gagamitin natin sa inyo?
Pwede mo namang i-donate na yun sa mga bata.
Pakiramdam ko.
Correct, oo.
Ikaw, for you?
Sa akin, ang worst na investment, ayun nga, yung mga trendy. Trendy kasi nagkaroon ng time na mga frou-frou, di ba? Nagkaroon ng mga frou-frou items na parang feeling ko si Julina magdangal ang ante nyo. Ganon. Naalala mo?
Hi, Julina.
Oo, hindi na time na yun. Idol ko si Julina eh, di ba? Kung
You're
ano-ano.
giving the Julina vibe anyway nung college pa lang tayo.
Colorful, ng mga frou-frou, ganyan. So parang nung tinitignan
Uy,
ko
Auntie
yung mga
Julina mo ngayon, ang ganda na rin ng faano. Wala nang ganun
Oo, kaya nga nag-evolve din si Auntie
Julina,
Oo,
oo.
siguro nagpeperi na rin yun.
Most overrated wardrobe staple.
For me, tube. Tube
Tube.
dress or anything tube. Gustong-gusto ko siya, feel na feel ko siya, pero pag ako na yung susuot, parang, no.
Parang
Hindi bagay, ganon.
Alam ko yung feeling
Not
na yun. Parang,
me.
ay, para pala ako lumpiang Shanghai dito.
Oo.
Pwede ka na ibalo.
Kasi nauso kasi yung tube, nagkaroon ng time na nauso rin yung mga tube-tube eh.
90s yun. Kasalanan ng 90s to.
Oo. How about you?
So, I think ako yung mga parang expensive basics. Alam mo yun yung parang, di ba, Is I know, merong mga
Magbe-basic ka tapos mahal.
Shirt would
Yes,
cost like
correct.
9,000 pesos.
Yes.
It's
Yes,
just a
yes, yes.
basic
I
anyway.
think it's the same. Oo.
Diba?
Over parang basic nga siya, te.
Oo.
Plain
So,
t-shirt tapos
pinamahal
bibilhin
mo
mo
pa.
9,000.
Yan.
Pwede
Para
ka
yung
naman
mga
naman,
ate natin
ano.
sa Dasma, alam mo yan, puti lang yan ha, pero...
Pero, 15,000
15,000.
yun.
Ay, they can afford naman kasi. Pero, alam mo, doon nauso yung parang dress for less of some sort. May mahal na
Correct.
t-shirt.
In comparison,
Pero
right?
i-compare mo
Right,
sa
right.
t-shirt din na ganun ka ano, pero less for less. Yun eh.
So, most underrated naman na wardrobe staple na ito yung talagang go-to, na underrated.
For our age, for midlife na.
Yeah, so I guess on a personal level. Ano yung mga underrated mo?
Actually, sa akin, ano talaga, highway, I don't know kung underrated pa ba yan. Highways talaga, nung na-discover ko siya, di ko siya tinantanan. Kasi talagang I don't know, yung shape siguro ng body ko, yung cut ko medyo mataas. So, dun ko na piniplace yung kung ano man yung belt ko niya, o yung band, ano.
Kasi di ba may mga early
ng mga
2000,
low waist.
meron gumanon. Ano bang pinag-iisipan na naman natin ng mga panahon na yun?
Correct.
Na hanggang dito, yung parang kay Britney Spears, nung siya ay hindi pa baliw.
The low waist era.
Diba? Yung hindi pa baliw. Okay.
Ay, sorry.
Hindi, okay lang naman yun. So, but yeah, hindi naman tayo kilala ni Britney.
Britney
So, okay
Spears,
lang.
okay lang yan.
So, yun yung mga low waist era nila, no?
Diba? Ako
correct.
yun yung ano siguro.
So, yun yung
mga
para sa akin.
Right.
Nagmukha akong matangkad, nagmukhang slim.
No high waist ka.
For the high waist.
Kala ko yung ganun eh, yung nandito sa below the belly button.
Ano yun?
Yung panahon nga ni Britney.
Hindi.
But Anne Hathaway wore that the last time nung...
Buntis siya.
Oo,
nakita ko
naka-low
nga.
waist ulit siya. Nakita rin yung...
Eh, anong height ni Anna Hathaway? Girl.
Correct.
She
Oo,
is
matangkad.
7'5".
Oo, naman. Ato kapre. So, but yeah, yun yung parang feeling ko, hindi ko na siya tatantanan. Kasi na-discover ka lang siya. Ay, ganun pala.
Ikaw,
itsura
what's
niya.
your underrated wardrobe staple?
Ako, for me, no, yung best seller namin in Maldita, it's the sleeveless tailored top. Kasi usually, no, ang iniisip natin na business attire is like blazer.
Na may, oo.
Takot ako dyan sa sleeveless na
Hindi
yun.
nga, kaya nga yung
So, parang
sinasabi
siyang best.
namin sa, yes.
Para siyang best
Pero
type.
blazer type
Blazer siya. Ah.
So, parang yun yung sinasabi namin na, it doesn't matter if you think na malaki yung braso mo or what, you try our best seller and you can see why.
Sige nga.
Try mo
Yan
yan,
yata
ante.
pinapasot sa akin. No? Tinignan
Yes.
ko, are you sure?
Yung pinipilit kong pasot sa'yo kanina.
Kasi ngayon yung kanilang bestseller.
Yes,
So,
yes.
go tayo dyan. Kay Miss Irene.
Ako the V-neck pa rin, balik pa rin sa V-neck.
Underrated.
Oo.
Underrated masyado. Kasi yung iba, takot sila na ma-expose yung konting cleavage, ganyan. Pero the look totally, you can, like right now, you can adjust yung
Yung isang
scarf,
magandang,
magandang
scarf
scarf
or
nice
accessory,
necklace,
oo.
accessories yun.
Yes, that's good.
You'll go
Far.
far.
Yes.
Yeah. With that look,
Okay, eto.
Ito, hindi na natin. Heels or flats? Alam ko na sagot natin lahat.
Alam ko na ang sagot nyo.
Oo, ako alam niyo na sagot ko. Kayo.
Ayun din, flats
Ikaw.
din.
Flat.
Ikaw, flats. Mga 30, 40 at 50.
Gold or silver?
Nako, yan,
Ako
easy to
depende sa suot.
Right.
No? But more at the
Pareho
gold,
gold.
pero okay din naman yung silver. Certain. Parang for me, mas casual ang silver.
Right. Mas
Gold
young.
is,
Yes, mas young, mas young.
Jeans or trousers?
Right now, trousers.
Trousers.
Both, no? Jeans for a little formal attire and trousers a little casual.
No,
Weird
baliktad,
Di ba
no?
weird?
Actually,
Pero,
trousers din ako.
better siya. You should try it. Like for example, na wearing this jeans, no, the barrel jeans. And then wear a parang broad shoulder
Like a
blazer.
statement,
Yeah.
ano.
Diba?
Statement.
Nice, no?
Yung mas
And then-
bongga yung top.
Kasi payat ka, girl. Eh, paano yung mga barrel din ng katawan?
Galit na galit. Galit na galit sa payat.
Barrel actually nakakapayat.
Nakakapayat.
Ay, nakakapayat.
Yes.
Bibili tayo sa
Hindi,
barrel.
alam mo kung bakit ayoko na masyado mag-jeans.
Oh.
Ang GSM, yun-UTI na tayo.
Correct. Tsaka ang 8.
Ang mga peri, alam nyo yan, diba? Na parang masyado na yatang
init
madikit
din.
sa aking kifito.
Correct. Kaya
all
trousers
day.
din ako. Mas light. Kaya kahit na sneakers ang suot mo, trousers. Slacks pa din.
Yun ang,
ano.
hindi ko nabili yung loafers kasi di ba sa jeans ngayon nagbabagay yung mga
Right.
Yes, yes.
loafers. Anyway, bibili ako niyan. Comfort or style? Ikaw, comfort or
No,
style?
you cannot have a style style if you're not comfortable.
Ay,
So it goes with
ay,
your-
taray.
Ay, diba?
Tama,
Ikaw
tama,
paniniwalaan
tama.
namin kasi ikaw lang naman meron talaga ano dito.
May karapatan
Oo,
sa
parang-
styling.
parang
Oo. Okay, si Miss Ai.
Comfort and style.
Oo. Dati, style ang first natin.
Yes, nung bata-bata
Admittedly.
tayo, diba?
Keber sa comfort, di ba? Pero ngayon na nasa midlife na
Comfort
tayo.
over
Comfort,
trumps.
and I think naman na mana na natin, na-imbibe na natin yung style. Nakuha na natin yung gusto nating style and it retains.
Swerte ang generation ngayon kasi nga, imagine all these brands coming in. Even timeless brands as Maldita na ever-changing. Dati nung panahon natin, ilan lang yung pinupuntahan natin aside from Maldita na local, diba? Who understands our body as Filipina,
Correct.
diba? One thing every woman should wear more often. Filipina woman.
At least for midlife. Ano sa tingin nyo yung...
Kailangan.
Suotin.
Saan na ngayon?
Yeah, one thing that a Filipino woman should always wear often.
Smile.
Ay!
Yeah, tari.
Beauty queen! Tawid tayo! Beauty queen answer!
Yes, yes.
Yukonera. Diba?
Tama yun, ha? No matter what you wear, kung masungit ang ante mo dahil hot flash or na kulang sa tulog, hindi maganda ang dating
Makes
ng mga
sense.
tao sa'yo. Tama, wear a smile. Ante.
So ako yung first runner-up, no? So, di sa Miss Universe, ako confidence.
Ayan.
Kasi ang...
Nakuha niya yung sagot ko.
Sorry, ano
Ayan.
na.
Tapos,
So, hindi ba ang Filipino women, no, usually mahihiyain. When they wear something, no, pag overdress, nahihiya.
Actually.
Pag underdress, nahihiya pa rin. So, go for overdress na lang. And then, wear confidence na lang.
Correct.
Wear confidence. At least, di ba, mas maganda ka tingnan.
Actually,
you
mas
always
sinasabi
polished.
nga nila, no, mas maganda mag-overdress than
Correct.
underdress. Tama,
Correct. I
no?
would always say that.
Ito na ang corona.
Thank you. Nakuha ko yung sagot.
Ante-confidence ka din.
Yes,
Oo.
confidence. Ikaw ano?
Copy-paste. Copy-paste na lang din ako sa inyo.
So, before we go, no, we would like to ask, is there any message or advice that you can give to our midlife, not just midlife Filipina customers ninyo, no, but the women after us?
That would also see our
who also see our
episode.
Yes, and of course, they're in the thick of their careers, you know, and they're becoming mothers or, you know, career women. So, any message from Maldita for our customers?
So to all our loyal customers and yung mga upcoming customers here in our store, visit us and you'll discover what we have for you.
Yeah, and it's really, I guess, sa akin yung investment really in your wardrobe, it doesn't have to be like super preposterously expensive. Like I said, I have Maldita pieces from 10, 15 years back that's still with me, that's still relevant to this day, that I still wear. So,
Oo, yung botones lang kailangan.
botones
nating-
lang kailangan.
Yeah.
Other
Palitan.
than that, the fabric and the cut is fantastic. Right? So, how about for midlife women? Any advice for your customers or your aunties
women
listening to
like us.
Women
Like us, actually.
Like
no?
us. Yes,
us.
correct,
So,
correct.
I think, no, sa midlife, it shouldn't, age shouldn't define how we wear our clothes.
Ang best
love
yun.
it.
So I
Yes.
think we should express we should have the freedom to choose kung ano na yung, alam mo yung, kasi experience na tayo. Marami na tayong pinagdaanan.
Yes.
Diba? All
Hindi
the
lang
stress, all the anxiety.
achieve na natin na
The
achieve.
achievements also, diba? So, hindi na tayo dapat mahirapan to think of what clothes to wear already because we already have that confidence. We're already confident kung ano yung bagay sa atin, what suits us, what works well for us.
Correct.
So, I think much better kung ang iisipin mo is that what you really want for or what you really want to feel during that day or what you really want to for others to perceive about you or
Parang image mo din yan.
Yes, your
Kasi.
image. Correct.
And then where
correct.
will you invest your money in also in terms of fashion?
Yes.
And I think that holds true to the word Maldita na it's unapologetically confident. You know?
Parang tayo yun. Wala na akong paki sa inyo. Dati parang
Ngayon
shy
parang pumapasok ako ng
tayo.
meeting. Ngayon, ang ganda ng outfit ko, di ba? Hindi mo ako compliment. Ganun na ako.
Oo.
Wala na. Ako na nagsasabi, ang ganda ko, di ba? Okay na
Very
yun.
confident na tayo.
Confident na ako, di ba?
So yun nga. So yun yung mga kailangan na pasok sa Maldita, yung personality gano'n at ang
Yes.
attitude natin gano'n.
Yes, that's right. So do you have your socials? Where can
we buy?
we can
your
buy?
items? Of course, a store meron.
Yes.
Because I remember getting from Mega Mall in the past. Mega Mall is still there.
Yes, Mega Mall, Robinson's Galleria, SM Sukat,
Okay.
SM Mall of Asia.
Ayan, okay.
Yun.
SM.
SM Dasma and Baguio.
Oh, wow.
Baguio.
Even in
Yeah.
Baguio. Fantastic. How
Okay.
about your socials?
So you can follow us in
Facebook.
Facebook, no, Maldita Official.
Okay.
And then we also have our website.
Oh, okay.
Can we
We have
buy
our-
from the website?
Yes.
Okay.
We have our online store, malditastore.com.
Malditastore.com,
Yes,
alright.
and then our TikTok also, Maldita Official.
So they can buy their yung pati sizing, yun ang challenging
Yes.
for me, yung sizing talaga.
You know, ang ginagawa ko sa ganyan, I go to the store, alamin ko na ano yung mga size ko doon. So, pwede na akong bumili right there and then. Pero kung kailangan ko ng I have a reference na, sa store na to, medium yung
Ay, ang
pasok
smart
ako.
mo. Kung hindi ko naiisip
Then,
yun.
alam mo naman tayo, mapaggastusan kailangan sakto. Hindi, sayang ang pera, diba? So, yun. So, pagka alam ko na, kung dito sa store na to, ganitong size ako. So, when I order, I don't have to go to the store. One time lang ako pumunta.
So it's wonderful lang to know that Maldita's sizes really are fit for Filipina women.
Yes, correct.
In all shapes and sizes.
Yes.
So
The
yung mga
length
pag
and
sumix one ka na, walahan na tayo sa Maldita.
Which is fair
pants
naman.
Capri pants na yan. Alright.
Oo.
Anyway,
Alright. So
thank you
that's-
for joining us.
Thank you for giving us style tips din and
insights, perimenopause, and how timeless and investment in clothing really goes a long way for every one of us, no?
Correct.
And don't forget our socials. We are in Instagram, Facebook, Spotify, TikTok. It's Antitime.
Ay.
Antitime, right?
Yes,
Antitime,
Antitime.
yes. And in my personal, Casey_Superstar IG and Antibel.
Ako naman sa IG is Antibel.
So thank you everyone, and we would like to thank all our viewers for this episode. Sana may natutunan kayo.
Oo, at sana nag-enjoy kayo. Hindi na to puro lang, health. Nasa lifestyle tayo. I mean, nasa styling tayo ngayon.
For this episode.
And then, let us know ano pa yung mga episodes in midlife that you wanna talk about.
Yeah.
And who knows, baka maka-guest din kami, diba?
That's right. All right. Thank you. And
Thank you. Thank you for inviting us.
Thank you, Maldita.
Thanks, Maldita.
So this has been your Ante Time. I'm Ante Bell.
And this is Auntie Karen.
And this is
Auntie Time. Bye. Thanks.